This is Masala. She was born in Rajbag, Goa, which is a small fishing village. And when she was about 2 months old, her and one of her siblings got hit by a car or scooter or some other random vehicle in the road, and her sibling died. And she ended up with a broken leg. The femur head was broken right off. But I didn't know that at the time. And I just found her and she couldn't walk and she was whining and crying. So I couldn't leave her, so I wrapped her up in my shirt and she was covered in fleas and dirt, and I brought her home. And I took her to a vet. She was this tiny little thing. She fit in my backpack, so I just took her in my backpack and I rode my bike to town and brought her to the vet. And the vet didn't really have high hopes because she didn't have any sensation in her back legs. They didn't respond. So she thought she's probably paralyzed. And because she was a street dog and I was a backpacker, she just said, well, here's some painkillers, take her home for a few days and see what happens. Don't feed her solids, just feed her like really soft food and give her these painkillers and see what happens. And so I just gave her the painkillers and I gave her a lot of cuddles and Reiki. And slowly she started to move around more, use her legs. And finally she peed, which was exciting because she couldn't pee. Her bladder was huge and her belly was just massive and she was in pain. And yeah, from there she started to get better and use her legs more. And now, like almost 5 months later that she's been with me, she's just an amazing little creature. And you would barely even know now that her leg is broken. Like it was never fixed, so the femur head is still, like it just formed a new socket somehow. But you'd hardly know. She's one of the fastest runners. She's really energetic. She's really friendly. She's obsessed with food. I guess if she had her way, she'd either be cuddling on the bed or eating. And if she could just do those two things all the time, she'd be a happy pup. And she's gonna go to France because I don't have a home. And she has a forever home there waiting for her with a nice woman and another dog. And just funny, quirky little personality that keeps developing more and more. Yeah, she's really sweet. This sweet dog, good-tempered, really snuggly.